Hi YouTube, I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be, as I always say, make sure you give me 2 thumbs up, subscribe, and comment to my channel. It's your girl Corby, and I am back with another exclusive. So, you want to know, what is United Credit Education Services? Everybody's wondering, what is FES, right? You're all wondering, what is it that LaCora is really doing? Well, I'm going to tell you in this video today. United Credit Education Services is a service that serves you in helping you gain financial literacy and fixing your credit. We restore credit, we repair credit, and we help you with the literacy of credit. Some things that they do not teach you in school. Is this a scam just for you to make an extra buck? Absolutely not. It is not a scam. We really are out here helping people. Well, why haven't I never heard of it? Well, you never really tried to fix your credit, but since you started looking for people to help repair your credit, you came across probably one of our agents or myself, right? So, basically, we've been in business since 2004. We've helped over millions of people with credit, financial literacy. I am a product of the services, as I stated in, I think, one of my videos. I don't even know if I even posted it on here, but I am a product of the services. It usually takes 45 to 90 days. Like I said, most people say, oh, I can fix your credit in, overnight. No, it's not an overnight process in fixing credit. But no, we are not a scam. There is a reason why people say that it is a scam. And I'm going to tell you right here in this video. The reason people say that FES, United Credit Education Services, is a scam is because they're not doing what they're supposed to do on either side, the member side or the agent side. Far as the member side of it, what you do is we repair everything for you. You have 12 services in one for a low fee, right? Straight up low fee. I mean, it cost me when I was with, what is that company called? Lexington Law. I was with them for a minute, and it costed a lot of money. And I've known a lot of people that was with that company, and it did not help. What we do is we repair your credit, and we dispute with all 3 major credit bureaus. So that's what we do. So on the flip side of the member side, the customer side, they're not doing the things that they're supposed to do. For instance, an agent will tell the member, hey, make sure you get your dispute letters. They're going to be in your email, or they're going to send it through the mail. Me personally, I prefer my customers to receive their dispute letters through email. Reason being, because it get there just like that. Through the mail, it's going to take a minute. And I want my people to fix their stuff, like to get on it ASAP. So once the letters get into your back portal, right? Because we all get a portal. Once they get into the portal, you have 5 days to download your letters. If you do not download them in 5 days, you really are responsible to call FES, United Credit Education Services, the 248 number. That's your responsibility to call them and say, hey, I have not received my letters. Could you please, send them to me via email or put them in my portal. Once they do that, it starts all over again. So if they did the letters October the 4th, right? And you had 5 days, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have until the 9th to receive those letters, to download them to your device, or to receive them, or however you receive them. You have those days to do that. If you don't do that and you ask them to send them out again, and they send them out on the 10th, so now it's stating that you received your letters on the 10th. And then it starts your 45 days to 90 days start again. But you're not doing the work, right? You're not doing what the agents tell you to do. Now you have some agents that's just taking the funds and doing what they have to do, and they don't even care about the customers. That's just what it is. Me personally, I care about you. So I call and make sure that you are doing the things that you're supposed to do. I call to make sure that Are you watching your videos? Do you have your letters? Did you send them off certified copy? I'm asking these questions. But if you're not doing those things, it's not United Credit Education Services' fault. It's simply your fault, because we're doing our part. We're doing the work. All you do is have to sign some papers, ship them off. That's nothing wrong with that. I don't see there's nothing wrong with that. And the reason why I don't see nothing wrong with that, because I am a product of the services, and even though I am an agent, I still take care of myself as well. I think I'm working on my third dispute now. Within the first 30 days, I've received some good feedback. I had got a couple of items deleted from my credit report. And the reason what made me go to FES, United Credit Education Services, was because my credit, I was fixing it myself. And to be honest with you, I was not able to do it. Like, I needed the lawyers to back me up. I needed that extra boost, because what I was doing, it just wasn't working. So yes, I paid for them to help me with my services, and they are doing a great job. So is it a scam? Absolutely not. It is not nowhere near a scam. I love it. I love them. I love their services. I teach my children financial literacy. And these are things, again, that they do not teach us in school. So, and a lot of us, we grow up and we don't know anything about credit. So what we do is we mess our credit up. And do we mean to mess it up? No, we just think that it's free, right? A lot of people think that it's free. I could just use my name and just do this, but you have to pay that back. Now, it may take you 0.3 seconds to mess your credit up, right? We know that. 0.3 seconds. Bam. We ain't paying no debt off, because situations happen in life, right? But at the same time, it's going to take you 45 to 90 days to start seeing results from this. So no, it is not a scam. That's the member side of the aspect that I'm going to give you. No, it is not a scam. You have to put the work into it. So to everybody that's out there saying that it's a scam, it is not a scam. I am a product of the services. No, they did not pay me to do this video. No, they do. I'm just giving you my review. I'm giving you my update on the situation. No, it is not a scam at all. Simple. It's just not. I love the services on the member aspect side, the customer side. I love the services. Far as on the agent side, is it a scam? No, it is not. Well, how can you say that it's not a scam? I mean, we've read reviews, we've done, all of this research. First of all, we operate in all 50 United States, 51 United States, whatever. You can call me what you want. I haven't been to school in a long time. No, I know how to add, though. We operate in all of the United States of America, including the Virgin Islands, right? So you have all of these states that you can market yourself with, right? I'm speaking on the agent side. I'm done with the member side. Straight agent now. It's your business. You franchise. You paid your fee to franchise with a company, but you're not working your business. That's just what it's about. You're not working the business. And if you are working the business, you're not in the right mind frame to do what you have to do. Either you're afraid, either you're scared to put yourself out there, or either you're just afraid to speak about the company, or you just don't know how to market. But are you asking your mentors? Are you asking your mentors to help you? Are you in the groups? Are you reading? Are you studying? Because FES, they give you plenty videos. They give you plenty material to market yourself and to do your company. This is an MLM company. You absolutely right. It's a multi-level marketing network company. Absolutely correct. And I love every bit of it. I haven't had an issue since it's been COVID time. I can tell you that much. I've been getting my money. The first hour I made $500. The second check that I received, it paid my rent. So yes, I can say that it does work. It's my business. I put effort into what it is that I want. I can't sit here and just pay for a business and don't work my business. I'm going to get mine's back. It's a lot of famous people within the company that love to do this. It's people that has been in Forbes. People has been on the Steve Harvey show. And they are exceedingly great people because they have the right mindset and they don't want to give up. That's the thing. Why are you doing this? Why would you say something is fraud or something is a scam when you haven't even operated your business or tried hard enough? I always say a failure is a person that do not try, or a failure is a person that gives up one time, or a failure if you gave up, if you failed the 10th time, and you just stop, you are a failure. These are my words. This is what I say. And yes, I wouldn't just tell my agents this. I would tell anyone this. Like, this is really the real deal here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the real deal. Like, this is what I would tell anybody in life. You can't give up. You just can't give up. So again, they have, on the agent side, they have plenty marketing material. Plenty. Then we get discounts through Vistaprint, stuff like that, to help you market your company. So they give you everything. It's like franchising with Chick-fil-A, which we know that costs $10,000. Plus, you got to have good credit. But with our company, they're not worried about the credit. What they're going to do is, while you're franchising with the company, help repair and rebuild your credit. You can also get your credit fixed for free. Did I mention that? You can fix your credit for free. So once you begin to bring agents in or bring customers in, of course you can fix your credit. I am a team player. I like to work together. Of course, a lot of people, they don't want to do the business, but they pay their money. That's not my fault. That's not my problem. I can only try to help you and encourage you, because again, we are a team. But if you're not going to do this, I don't hold your hand, and I'm not going to beg you to work your business. I have to keep it moving. If I sit here and waste time on one individual person, then I'm losing, and I don't have time to lose. I got other people to look for. Do we go door to door knocking on doors? No, we do not. We simply, people come to me. I've never went and knocked on anyone's door. Will I knock on someone's door? Absolutely. Why? Because it's part of marketing. It's like an insurance agency. They go and knock on doors. That's how they get their money. They go out there. They put themselves out there. So any way possible that you can get yourself out there, I would advise you to do it. In my opinion, I will advise you to do it. But is this a scam? Absolutely not. It is not a scam at all. A lot of people be like, well, why does it cost so much? Well, to be honest, to fix your credit back then, I was told from someone that used to be with the company, it was $500. We're nowhere near close to that now. It's actually lower than that. So if you want to schedule a free consultation with me with fixing your credit, or if you need extra income, I will leave my business number at the bottom along with a scheduler, so you can schedule. And if you just want to join my team, because I am very positive, I give very, very positive feedback, schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me. I will tell you what this business is about. I don't want to give too much, here, because I do have appointments set up right now within the next really 5 to 10 minutes. So I really don't have much time to give you, all of the exact details. But you can really schedule a 15-minute free consultation with me, and I will go over everything that it is. But yes, we've helped millions of people with credit, and it's, again, 4,300 million people in America that needs help with credit, and it's probably more than that. So, and I'm sure it's more than that. So you can get help with credit, or you can make money doing this business. It's up to you. You can either or. I will not tell you the fee right now on the video, but you can give me a call and I will tell you the fee. But yes, you're fixing your credit. Why would you expect it to be free? It's not free. When I say I help you, I do help you. I help you. That's what I do. And I make sure you do you. Right now, I was in the business of calling people. I have stopped that. I don't call people anymore. I just send a video now. I'd rather do it that way versus calling everybody individually. Or I have them revert back to my YouTube channel, and they can help themselves that way. Because I have so many people that I really don't have time to do everybody individually. But like I said, on the member side, they give you plenty of videos. Plenty videos to teach you the importance of credit, and they walk you through step by step. We actually have a roadmap, and a lot of people see what they do is they go home, they get off of work, and they be like, oh, well, that's why it's a scam, because you're not learning yourself. That's your fault. You have to learn. You have to listen to your mentors. You have to listen to your agents. And if you're not listening to the agent that's telling you what they know, then that's simply your fault. And I know it sounds a little harsh, but that's the truth. It's your fault. So yes, it does work. No, it is not a scam. I love my company, and I'm going to rock with them, and we're going to keep on rocking together. And again, if you're looking for a credit repair specialist, I am your girl, Cora B. Come to LaCora. And again, I will leave my link below. Make sure you subscribe and like this channel. And I'll see you later. Bye.